Hey everyone! Today we're diving into some of the most groundbreaking international collaborations between countries. Because while on the surface, most international relations can feel like the world's most awkward high school dance, every now and then, something beautiful emerges. So buckle up, because this is the 5 most groundbreaking international collaborations between countries. Our first stop takes us to the land of borscht and dim sum, where Russia and China embarked on a project so massive, it would make even the most ambitious beaver blush: the power of Siberia gas pipeline. This 3,000-kilometer behemoth, stretching across some of the most unforgiving terrain on Earth, pumps natural gas from Russia's Siberian fields all the way to China's energy-hungry cities. Now, you might be thinking, pipelines? Riveting television, my friend. And to that, I say, just wait. Because this isn't just some ordinary tube in the ground. This pipeline represents a seismic shift in the global energy landscape, cementing a bond between two countries that, historically, haven't always seen eye to eye. It's like watching your divorced parents start a successful Etsy shop together. It's unexpected, heartwarming, and you just can't help but feel a little bit proud. Next up, we hop over to the Pacific, where the United States and Japan have forged a partnership so strong, it puts your average frenemies to shame. This relationship, forged in the aftermath of World War II, has blossomed into a multifaceted alliance that encompasses everything from trade deals to military cooperation. We're talking about joint military exercises, shared intelligence, and enough diplomatic hand-holding to make even the most cynical observer believe in the power of friendship. And while the US military presence in Japan might raise a few eyebrows, there's no denying the stabilizing force this alliance has had on the Asia-Pacific region. It's a partnership built on shared interests, mutual respect, and a whole lot of karaoke. Now, let's rewind the clock to 1963, a time when bell-bottoms were all the rage, and Germany and France were just starting to realize that maybe, just maybe, they didn't hate each other as much as they used to. Enter the Élysée Treaty, a document so monumental it would make the Magna Carta look like a grocery list. This treaty, signed by Charles de Gaulle and Konrad Adenauer, formally buried the hatchet between these two historical rivals, ushering in an era of cooperation that would forever change the face of Europe. From joint military exercises to coordinated foreign policy, France and Germany became the best of friends, proving that even the most bitter of enemies can find common ground and maybe even share a baguette or two. Our next collaboration takes us to the skies above North America, where the United States and Canada have teamed up to create an air defense system so sophisticated it would make even the most paranoid conspiracy theorist sleep soundly at night. We're talking, of course, about NORAD, the North American Aerospace Defense Command. This binational organization, formed in the heart of the Cold War, is tasked with the daunting responsibility of keeping the skies above the US and Canada safe from rogue missiles, wayward aircraft, and anything else that might be lurking up there. Think of it as the ultimate buddy cop movie, but instead of chasing down bank robbers, they're protecting an entire continent from airborne threats. It's a testament to the enduring friendship between these two neighbors, proving that when it comes to national security, sometimes you just need a good wingman or wingwoman. And finally, we come to what's arguably the most famous and often debated international partnership of them all, the special relationship between the United Kingdom and the United States. This transatlantic bromance, forged in the crucible of World War II, has weathered countless storms from the Cold War to the War on Terror, emerging as a cornerstone of global stability. We're talking about intelligence sharing so close, it would make even the nosiest neighbor jealous, joint military operations that would make James Bond blush, and a level of diplomatic coordination that can only be described as telepathic. Sure, they might bicker like an old married couple from time to time, but at the end of the day, the UK and the US always have each other's backs. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible collaborations that have shaped our world. Which collaborations do you think deserve to be on the list? From pipelines to military alliances, these partnerships prove that even in a world often defined by competition, cooperation can prevail. It's enough to restore your faith in humanity, or at the very least make you feel a little less cynical about the state of global affairs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. See you next time.